we have to say here. They're inverses of each other. And then letter E says, rewrite this in rectangular form. Are the graphs of the functions in parametric form and rectangular form the same? Oh, so when if I finish out this letter D where I showed you that they're inverses of each other, but when I solve this one down here for Y, like when I went ahead and got Y by itself. See, like I multiplied both sides by 9, and then I took the square root of both sides and subtracted 1 on both sides. This right here, when I write it in Y equals form, this gives me a square root function. So this gives me part of this sideways parabola here. It gives me this part. But there's a domain restriction. There's a domain restriction because I have, I can't put x's in there that are negative because then I have it that it's not a real number. You know, you can't have the negative square root of something. So I only get half of the parabola, this half. So that I think that's what letter E is getting at. It says the graphs are not the same. The parametric form gives the entire parabola. The rectangular form only gives the top half. And that's because when I solve it for Y, I have a square root of a negative. Well, I mean, you can't put negative numbers in there. Hope that makes sense.